Biodiversity is declining at unprecedented levels, while the rate of species extinction continues to accelerate. As of 2019, the mean abundance of land species has fallen by 20%, with more than 30% of amphibians and one-third of corals and marine mammals threatened. Climate change is estimated to be the third main driver of these declines, right after land and sea use change and the direct exploitation of organisms. Not only that, but its effects are expected to increase in the future. This changing climate affects species, as the environmental conditions to which they are adapted are changing at a fast pace, and many of them may not be able to keep up. In 2016, the bramble camelomis, a rodent living in Papua New Guinea, was the first animal declared extinct because of the effects of climate change.
Hi, my name is Carmen Soria, and in my PhD titled Projected Effect of Global Change on Species Change and Extinction Risk, I plan on identifying how birds and terrestrial mammals will respond to climate change based on their own characteristics, also called traits.
The actual effects of climate change differ around the globe, and for example, while extreme weather events and rainfall are becoming more common in some places, heat waves and droughts are more prevalent in others. Both birds and terrestrial mammals are very diverse groups, with very different characteristics and life strategies, from the gigantic, long-lived and herbivorous elephants to a small, short-lived and omnivorous rodent, from the big, nocturnal and carnivorous owls to the small, diurnal and insectivorous blue tits. Because of these two types of differences, we cannot assume that all species will respond in the same way in all of their distribution. While some species may move to more adequate areas, others may thrive and expand, and others may disappear completely.
Identifying the relationship between the combination of traits that a species has and the response to climate change will help us predict how species will be affected in the future. This way, we can inform policymakers and the rest of the scientific communities of which species and which areas will be negatively affected, facilitating taking preventive action. This project relates to Sustainable Development Goal number 15, Life on Land, and more specifically in halting biodiversity loss.